In today's video, we will explore various methods to sum data in Excel. Firstly, we can use the sum function to calculate the total for each region in quarter 1. Similarly, we can use the plus sign to add up the values for quarter 2. To get the total for each region, the sum function can be employed. Now, let's explore a different method. Select all the data, including empty cells, and under the Home ribbon, navigate to AutoSUM. Choose the Sum option, and Excel will automatically apply the sum formula for each row and column. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus the equals sign to achieve the same result. Now, if we observe, Excel has automatically applied the sum formula for each row and column, resulting in a subtotal for each quarter and region. Additionally, it has calculated a grand total, which will be the same for both quarters and regions. Next, let's explore summing data that contains text values within the range. When summing data with text values, using the plus sign will result in an error. However, by utilizing the sum function, we can avoid this error as it excludes text values. Copying the error result along with the sum formula by selecting the cell and pressing Ctrl plus the equals sign will yield the correct output, ignoring the text. Lastly, consider a scenario involving rate and quantity data. Multiply the rate by quantity, drag the formula to cover the entire range, and obtain the products. To calculate the sum of all quantities, use the AutoSUM feature by pressing Ctrl plus the equals sign. Alternatively, you can use the SUMPRODUCT function by selecting the rate array and quantity array as arguments to obtain the same total output. By exploring these different methods, you will have a better understanding of how to effectively sum data in Excel.